Smooth. That's a good strategy. Nish, you have a bigger objective of putting money into farmers' pocket, and also you are forced to use Amazon that takes 25% of your margins. The big tea companies, I'm sure, also rip you off of your margins. How do you balance your bigger vision to put the money in farmers' pocket and at the same time paying these big corporates, Jeff Bezos and other making them richer what they already are? How do you balance this equation?
Yeah, it's difficult, but you have to be smart about it, I guess, right? One thing that we do is, since we cut out all of the middlemen, what we are essentially doing is basically the value that I told you, like almost 70 to 80% is created within that, right? So as soon as we cut that off, we have a big chunk that we can actually invest back in the farmers. And what we do is we provide at least twice to four times the earnings to the farmers that they would uh, get from a traditional company, right? Traditional tea company or a middleman per se. So we provide twice or at least four times the wages or salaries that they get. So that's one aspect of it. The second aspect of it is on Amazon, what we are essentially doing, we're not selling wholesale, which has lower margins. We're selling direct to consumers product. I can actually show you one. So this is kind of like the packet that we sell, right? So basically, again, going back to Alessio's point, everything is about stories, right? Every single packet of our tea has stories. These bamboos, we have a lot of bamboos in our farm, and we train our farmers to weave the bamboos together. So these are handmade bamboos made by our own farms. That's an additional form of income for the farmers, that if I were to use a commercial paper box, I would be paying a bigger paper box company those dollars for the packaging. But now what I'm doing is essentially I'm empowering the farmers and paying them a bigger chunk of, not just for making tea, but making the bamboo pouches, which is an additional form of income. So that's one strategy to kind of like give more, empower the farmers in a very different way. But in terms of Amazon, when you make those products in a direct to consumers model, these are all premium teas, right? So they have a pretty decent margin. So we're not, one thing we're also doing is, yes, you have to let go of a lot of margin for the product, but at the same time, you're gaining a lot of customers. You're gaining followers, or kind of people who are your cheerleaders about talking about, hey, we need to talk about transparency in the tea industry. We need to talk about this company, and they're actually essentially generating a lot of value in that way. So it's okay to give up that chunk of margins if you can build a followers of your genuine customers.
Mhm. So it's about give and take. Of course, since you're able to cut a lot of people in the middle, you can afford Amazons and big tea companies of the world, and at the same time putting some money back into the farmers' pocket so that they're also happy, and also trying to add value, bring in this bamboo pouch, which will create additional income for them. That's excellent, wonderful. Uh, Thank you.